Hey, hello friends, welcome back to the brand new amazing fabulous video. So today in video I'm gonna speak up to 15 to 20 minutes. So it's not a one topic video but many. So without wasting a single precious second, let's begin our video. But before we start, like and subscribe. So let's begin. So first topic is R. How to study straight 3 to 5 hours. Yes, or your biggest academic comeback. Now, you know what? Most of the people think that, oh, let me get some motivation from the YouTube. So you go to YouTube and you search some psychological facts for studying. Me also, when I was in grade 7 starting, I also used to search, and they just put up some creepy thumbnails and then you like it. You are saying at that time you ponder that, oh, he's having such a creepy thumbnail, I should watch this, maybe this will affect me. Yes, then you go and click, and then you watch the whole video. Then when you used to apply, you forgot everything what you have heard. Yes, literally it happens. So you watch many videos that it's your biggest time, 6 months, 6 months, summer arc, winter arc, spring arc, or whatever arc you are watching. Yes, it's just sugar coated. So my dear friend, this video is not gonna sugar coated. I will open the curtains of your eyes. So yeah, you know what, that when you study you can't study for 6 hours straight unless you are a perfectionist. Yes, you should be that much valiant that you study just 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours straight. Yes, but as you are a beginner, as I already told you, 40-minute rule. 40 minutes study, 20-minute rest. 40 minutes study, 5 minutes, whatever time you have to take. Then you, in between, if you feel bored, yes, after 20 minutes, if you feel bored, you can switch up the subjects. Like you are reading, you're learning civics, so you can switch to maths. Yes, this is the best trick. But when you master these all the bases, what happened? So this will reach you slowly 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour, and even 18 hours. Yes, it's not a joke. Truly, the aspirants of G NEET, UPSC and all, they study straight to 18 hours, 21 hours and all. As I already told you about the power hour, if you don't haven't watched the video, let me tell you what is power hour. Power hour means a hour which you give to your study, whole dedicated without any distractions and all. Yes, when you have to focus on the goals, you are not seeing the holes. Yes, like let's take an example. If you are cycling, you are not seeing where are the holes, how big are they. You are just seeing in forward, or else you will fall. Yes, but you should be cautious about the holes. You have to avoid them. In life, same holes happens when we have to look in front. Totally, what happens? The holes such as distractions, such as mobile, and all gaming friends and all happens. But if you will see the holes and not prevent them, obviously you will fall in your cycle. But if you prevent them, if you just look in front straight towards your goal, not holes, then definitely nobody can stop you. My dear friend, people who success are not ones who have never failed, people who have failed many times. And what does the word fail means? Fail means first attempt in learning. Yes, first attempt in learning. This word should be stuck to your mind because this is the best ever thought I have ever get. Because in my school, this thought was written. So where were we? Yeah, straight to 21 hours. My dear friend, if you have dedication to do anything, you can even break a mountain. Yes, because I heard a story to a man who used to break a mountain every day. Yes, earlier, first people thought he was very dumb and all, he was crazy. But later, when he broke the whole mountain, everybody was shocked. Yes, my dear friend, let me ask you a question. Who is better? An extrovert who tells everybody their plans, or an introvert who works silently? The answer is truly both. But you know what? Most points go to introverts. As I'm extrovert, so I do not know more about introverts, but I'll tell you more on my experience and video experience. So yeah, introverts are those people who stay quiet and all. Yes, and extroverts are who just talk a lot and all. Yes, they are optimistic. But introverts are scrutinizers. My dear friend, let me tell you that if you are introvert, that's a not very good thing, because in life when you work silently or not participating in any of the things, then how you will achieve the success? My dear friend, I'm not saying you become an introvert or an extrovert for your whole lifetime. But the thing is that you balance both. sometimes introvert, sometimes extrovert. But I support extrovert because I'm even an extrovert. So yeah, where were we? Yeah. So if you tell everybody your goals, that what are you going to do? As like I always give an example that you can't take a seed out and show everybody that what I'm planting. Yes, you have to dig it in the ground, water it until it becomes a tree, magnificent tree, and then everybody will stare at the tree. Their eyes are widely open. Yes. So do not disclose your plans to everybody. You only disclose to some of the people you trust a lot, or you think that they are means they are your companions. Some friends might be in there, or for your father or your mother, anybody in your life who is very trustful and worthy of your trust, and you think he's not jealous of my success or envy of my success. So yes, you can definitely disclose your plans to others. So my dear friend, let me tell you what is going in today's youth. Tension, 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 depression, 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 all things. Yes, why do we get depressed or tension? Because we are afraid that what if this thing happen? What I have made mistakes in past? What will happen in my future? This is the most important and most focused area, because in my class also most students are depressed because they thought their past was not good, or what about the future. My dear friend, yesterday was a history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. That's why we call it present. So do not live in past, do not think of the future, think of now. As in NCRT grade 7 chapter 1, in we have read three questions. So one of the question is, what was the right time to begin? The answer was now, because if you wait for tomorrow, so tomorrow never comes. Yes, tomorrow never comes. It's a practically good logical questions, because if you wake up tomorrow, yes, so that becomes your today, and your tomorrow is surpassed to the next day. Yes, my dear friend, tomorrow never comes. You have to achieve success in a very proper manner. Now, I'm not boasting you that you start studying 12 hours, 13 hours, or even a whole day studying. But small steps take you a bigger heights. As I already told you about the Kaizen, 1% every day will make you perfectly success. Now, my dear friends, somebody of you are going in YouTube and saying best workouts if we want to just get it tracked in school, colleges, or other. So they tell you about calisthenic. I don't getting the word calisthenic, or I don't know that perfectly pronunciation. Some people say that you go to gym, hit a gym, and some will say that you do home workout and all. But my dear friend, let me tell you, until you can't believe yourself, you can't achieve your something. Yes, I already discussed about these two. What these two thoughts: never give up and believe in yourself in my previous video. So if you haven't checked it out, so you may go and check it out. Yeah. So let's get back to the topic. Now, as we have ended our study topic, so now let's move towards the AI. My dear friend, this is the best topic I have ever heard, and this is my most favorite topic. And today I have get most research, and also I have found some of the best AI for you all guys. So let me introduce the first, DeepSeek. Obviously, it's a Chinese what AI, but it will get you proper answers in a civilized manner. As same as ChatGPT. My dear friend, nobody can beat ChatGPT until and unless somebody will develop something. And secondly, we are not adding Gemini here because it may make mistakes. Yes, so everybody commit mistake, you, me, AI, and all. Everybody commits mistake. Yeah. So next number is Ira, most humanoid AI. So my dear friend, I have also installed IRA, and yeah, it is a humanoid AI. Means it just functions like human, talk like human, and all. So I tell her about my debate and all, and I just make her listen my speech. She was saying that it was very great. When you chat with her, it's like you're chatting with a real person. So first is ChatGPT, sorry, DeepSeek era. So in this, we are not including ChatGPT and all. Now, thirdly is Perplexity. My dear friend, it is the best AI if you want long answers or in detail. Yes, because it finish everything in detail, perfect. Yes, and fourth we have what? Imagine In today's youth, most of the people are creating videos using AI. Leonardo AI. Yes, it makes video and even what? It makes even pictures. You tell the content that hey, I want a futuristic Lamborghini in a cyber city with neon color and all, whatever, blah blah blah. You just give the promote and it will make you for you. And yes, many features are also there in ChatGPT. You can go and search about more in ChatGPT and you can get unlimited features from writing a paragraph to creating images, from creating images to making a music, from making music to creating even a website. Yes, so imagination is limitless. So yeah, it was all about today. Hope you enjoyed today's my 10 minutes continuous video. I thought it 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm already learning running late. It's 9:25. 9:25 already. I have to practice for my debate even. So debate is coming soon, my dear friends. Just put on your seat belts and wait until 25. Till then, bye bye.